Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Star & Daisy wooden portable laptop table which I bought from Flipkart. So, if you like this video and found it helpful, then please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such content. So, I got this for 1500 rupees and among all the options, I found this one the best. Some guidelines for the product. So, a laptop table being out of the box, we can see that it is a foldable laptop table, but this isn't the best part. The best part is it has got height and angle adjustments with itself, which makes it pretty user friendly. So, along with this table, we get a USB fan, two stoppers for the laptop, a USB lamp so we can work with this table even in the dark, and 4 USB hubs mounted in the board itself. And to store all this, we get a small storage drawer attached to the board itself. Talking about its build quality, the primary material used is wood, that is MDF. And all the white portions of this table are made of polypropylene, which is also a reliable material. The legs of the table are made of aluminium, and in them we can see that there are 4 gauges made, which are for even height adjustment of the board. And talking about its surface, it has got a smooth surface and got a good grip for the laptop. And as I mentioned earlier, it has got 4 USB hubs mounted in the board itself, so we can use them to charge our mobile phones or attach any accessories while using this laptop table, and which makes it pretty convenient. So yes, it has got a nice classy look. The best part, we can rotate this table up to 270 degrees, so you don't need to twist yourself, just sit back, lean and work in peace. And as you can see, you can work with this table even in the dark with the help of this inbox USB lamp and USB fan. So all in all, a thumbs up from my side, and I can easily call this one the best laptop table.